We are team What Does a Ninja Drink? What the? I am Robert Hyatt.
I'm Connor Kester.
And I'm John Walter. Heat pipes are a cheap and easy solution for increasing cooling in systems. These are used in electronics mainly and are used to take advantage of the latent heat loss in systems.
Fabrication. In this phase, we made our heat pipe. We connected the copper tubing to two ball valves. This was to secure the vacuum. We soldered all the connections between the copper tubing and ball valves.
In the picture to the right, you can see how we connected the heat pipe to the vacuum. And on the picture to the left, you can see our evaporation section.
Water! On the far left, you can see where the vacuum lines were attached. In the middle, you can see the adiabatic section. And on the far right is where our working fluid was.
On this slide, you can see our experimental model, our theoretical model, and our percent error. Further on, you will be able to see our results.
For the theoretical model, we used the dimensions of the heat pipe and then also ran an experiment and measured the temperature of the heat pipe at boiling. Using the boiling temperature, we were able to use a steam table to fill in the other values.
Does our heat pipe work? By looking at the table, you can see that with the heat pipe, the biggest temperature change occurred in the first 3 minutes of the experiment. You can also tell by looking at the final temperature that the heat pipe proved to be effective with the biggest temperature change from initial temperature and final temperature.
To check our error, we were able to calculate the theoretical transfer rate of 149 watts. The experimental heat transfer rate was 103 watts. This gave us an error of only 31%.
In conclusion, we were able to model and fabricate a working heat pipe at an effective cost. And I'll leave you with this one question. What does a ninja drink?